Hey guys, I'm Anisha. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do press the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever I upload the video. So today's video is all about the eye look which I have created, which you can see. So yeah, if you want to know how I've done this, please let's get started. So to start with, I'll use this L'Oreal Paris Antiox moisturizer, which is one of my favorite, and I'll apply it all over to my face and I'll massage it in a circular motion. I'll leave the moisturizer for 5 minutes so that it gets well absorbed into my skin. Now I'll be using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Now this is a mattifying primer. I have a normal to dry skin, but it suits me very well. So if you have a normal to dry skin, this might work for you as well. But definitely you can try this primer if you're new. Now after that, I'll be using this Maybelline BB Cushion foundation. I kind of do not like this foundation much because it doesn't help to cover your blemishes, or it doesn't give you any coverage, what I feel, and it is very sticky and it was very difficult to blend with that puff. So I use the beauty blender to blend the rest of my foundation, and for more coverage I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless foundation in the shade 220, and I'll blend the foundation with the help of this beauty blender. And for concealer, I'll be using this L'Oreal True Match Concealer and will conceal my usual areas where there is discoloration. That is the inner corner of my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, my cupid bows, the chin and the inner corner of my lips. And I'll leave it for 5 minutes so that it will give me more coverage. And with the help of the spoolie, I'll give the shape to my eyebrows. And for eyebrow, I'll be using this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit, and I'll use this middle shade, that is a light brown shade from the palette. And again, with the help of the spoolie, I'll dust off the excess color if it's there in my eyebrows and give it a proper shape. Now with the help of this beauty blender, I'll blend the concealer which was there. And with the help of a concealer, I'll conceal the extra hairs beneath my brow bone and also give it a proper shape. Now here's one trick. I'll take this setting spray and I'll apply it all over to my face before I'll apply the compact. And what this will do is, when you apply the compact, it will set onto your face so well, and there will be no crease under your eyes and there will be no fine lines. So I'm applying the compact, and I'll take this fluffy brush and I'll just pack those areas where I put the concealer, and with the help of this fluffy brush, I'll just dust off the excess powder. Now I'm applying the concealer all over to my eyes, and I'll set it with the compact before applying the eyeshadow so that my eyeshadows blend very well. Now I'll take this Rose in the Air palette from Wet n Wild and take this purple kind of shade, a light purple shade, and I'll take the fluffy brush and just in a circular motion I'll apply the shadow all over to my crease, and I'll take it down to my eyes. Now this is a palette from Colorbar, and I'll take this light blue shade, and with the help of a flat brush I'll just apply it all over to my eyes. Now it is not giving much color, so I'm using my fingers, and then I'll take this golden shade from the palette, from the Wet n Wild palette, and with the help of a fluffy brush I'll blend all the colors. Now I'm taking this Lakme Insta liner, and this is a royal blue kind of liner, and I'm creating a wing with it. Now I'll take this Coloursense liquid eyeliner, which is a kind of glittery eyeliner, and I'm just putting this above my Lakme eyeliner. With the same, I'm creating a wing. Now I'll take this Colorbar white kajal, it's a kind of silver kajal, and I'll just apply it into my waterline. And then I'll highlight my inner corner of the eyes with a very lighter shade in the palette. And then I'll take this Alice+Olivia mascara from Maybelline, and I'll apply 2 coats of this mascara, and I'll also apply the mascara to my lower lashes. Moving on to the blush, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me Blush. Now this has a very good color payoff, and I apply it to the apple of my cheeks and also some to my nose. Now for highlighter, I'll be using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Now this is a beautiful highlighter. If you're looking for a budgeted highlighter, then you must go for this one. For my lips, I'll be mixing these 2 lipsticks. First I'm applying this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Barely Nude, and then I'm applying the NYX Lingerie Lip Gloss on top of it to get that little bit of shine on my lips. And with this, I complete my Electric Blue Eyes makeup tutorial. Now creating this look was very easy. You can do it too, and if you do so, please do not forget to tag me and also do mention on the comments below how did you find this look on me, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, bye.